Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, we have hit some winners, specifically one huge winner in yesterday's video. If you got into that play from yesterday's video, you are now up over 66% just in one day. That is absolutely massive. Here at Viral Stocks, that is exactly what we do. We find those short-term, high probability trading opportunities to make you guys the most money in the least amount of time. This is something that we have been doing for over 5 years. Now guys, if you want to get amazing plays, obviously we discuss so many good plays here on our YouTube channel, countless plays from VERU to the stock we talked about in yesterday's video, all the oil stocks, IMPP, energy, CEI, you name it. We have hit many, anywhere from triple digit 100% gains all the way up to over 800% gains. I believe that was on IMPP or INDO. So shout out to everyone that has been following along with the channel. You guys leave us some amazing comments like you're making thousands of dollars. One person even made $17,000, so that is all absolutely amazing. But if you guys want to take that even a step further, we do offer a service where we send out penny stock alerts to you guys for completely free. So like I mentioned, we talk about penny stocks here on the channel, but we also send out penny stock alerts to our investors. Now this is completely free, but we don't talk about those penny stock alerts here on the channel. We save them specifically for our subscribers. So if you guys want to receive those completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts, make sure and enter in your email address here. That link will be in the description below. I'm just going to give you guys a little hint. We may have an alert coming out this week, possibly on Thursday. We got a big catalyst coming up. We got to wait till it hits our screener and price action confirms, and we will be sending that alert out to you guys. Remember, we will not be talking about that on our YouTube channel. It will be reserved for only the people that enter in their email and also enter in their phone number and are signed up to get our penny stock alert. So make sure you do that. I also recommend you sign up with your phone number as well after your email, because that'll make sure you get these alerts much faster and more efficiently. Sometimes emails can go to the spam folder, they can get lost, they're late, you name it. We've had problems with email. Phone number seems to work every time, so make sure you guys sign up with your phone number. But we've had some absolute killer alerts. The last alert went up over 33% in one day, and hey, we may even be able to do that again. Look, we can't predict what's going to happen in the future. All I can say is that we have been 100% with our past alerts. So make sure you guys sign up at viralstocks.io. Anyways, guys, the first stock that I want to talk about in today's video is ticker symbol GOVX, GOVX Labs Incorporated. As we can see, this stock is up 66% today. Absolutely massive. And if you guys are a part of the channel, you've been watching the channel, then you know we called this stock yesterday in yesterday's video on our Sunday recap video, where we were talking about 7 penny stocks that you should watch before Monday. Obviously, GVOX was the penny stock that you should be watching before Monday, as it went up absolutely massively. There was a couple other ones as well that we are going to hit on in today's video. But let's take a look here on what happened with GOVX, and maybe if you didn't capitalize on this opportunity, how you can in the future. So anyways, GOVX up 74% as vaccine stocks rise and Maximum Group sets $6 target. So we can see shares of GOVX Labs Incorporated, a developer of vaccines and immunotherapies against infectious diseases and cancer, recently went up 74% to $2.42. That is absolutely huge. And it says here, several vaccine-related stocks have risen recently amid concerns about monkeypox. On Monday, Maximum Group announced a $6 price target for GOVX. So obviously an opportunity here in the market to capitalize on, and we can see that is indeed true. One analyst offering a 12-month price target for GOVX at 175% gains. Now look, I'm going to have to do a little bit more research into GOVX, but all I can tell you is this stock is reminding me of VERU. Let's take a look here. You guys better remember VERU stock. Oh, it's flying in the after hours as well. We can see it's up to almost $15 here in the after hours. But regardless, VERU has been one of the biggest winners here on the channel. We have made a ton of money on VERU. We've been in this stock since like $2 was the original buy-in there. Rode it all the way up, hundreds and hundreds of percent gains. And then just recently, just last week, we were able to catch a couple catalysts in this stock once again at $7 and rode it all the way up to $15 $14, sitting here right now at $14, which was, let's take a look here, that was another 100% gainer. If you got in at the lows and the highs or anything in between, would have been a great win as well. So this stock is big. One, keep an eye on VERU because it looks like it's up in the after hours again, so I'm gonna have to take a look at what happened. But two, keep an eye on GOVX because it's reminding me of VERU with the price targets raising. You know, it's in that biotech category there. I have to look up to see if there's more catalysts coming up for GOVX, so we'll have to do an updated video on that. But anyways, shout out to everyone that was able to capitalize on it, and as we can see, it could have more room to run still. It's sitting at $2.18, and they're getting price targets of around $6 per share, which is obviously, you know, 175% higher than it sits right now. But let's move on to the next stock today. So it looks like biotech stocks are rolling today. This is ticker symbol CBIO, Catalyst Biosciences. This stock absolutely flew today. Actually, one of the biggest winners, overnight winners that, you know, we have seen in a long time. This is 225% gains. The last overnight winner like that could have been VERU, right? But this was absolutely huge. We did not catch CBIO. We did not talk about this on our channel. We did not send it out as an alert. But I do want to talk about it here on the channel now to see what happened, you know, and how we can capitalize on this in the future, or if there's any more potential for this stock. So as we can see here, it says, why is Catalyst Biosciences stock soaring 170% today? Well, I would say one, because it's called Catalyst, right? And obviously these biotech stocks pretty much revolve around big catalysts, and this literally has it in the name. But anyways, regardless, we can see the stock is jumping on the sale of its proteins and medicines portfolio. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Catalyst Biosciences stock is rocketing higher on Monday after announcing the sale of its proteins medicines portfolio. Vertex Pharmaceuticals is the buyer of this portfolio, so basically they're just buying, you know, a portfolio of medicines, right? And this company is buying it from Catalyst Biosciences, and I'll get to here in a minute why that is so bullish and why it was such an increase on the stock price. But we can see they're promising to pay $60 million in cash for it, which includes all these different things. And, you know, you can read on about that yourself. But regardless, here is what the CEO has to say, and I think this is pretty good. It says, we have been exploring strategic alternatives to monetize our assets and maximize value for our shareholders. This sale is part of the ongoing strategic process that we announced in February to explore alternatives and create value for shareholders. We significantly reduced our cash burn and continue to work with our advisors to evaluate additional strategic alternatives for Catalyst. So that is extremely important there, right? And you can see hopefully now why the stock price went up. It doesn't have to be a big catalyst in regard to a product releasing or in regard to this, in regard to that. It is simply stocks in general, or simply just providing value to your shareholders, right? And different companies do that in completely different ways, right? This company was able to significantly reduce their cash burn, get a ton of cash on the balance sheet, and ultimately monetize some of these assets that probably weren't, you know, not to say that they're useless, but they probably weren't making any money for them, at least right now, right? They were able to get $60 million out of this and obviously create a ton of value for their shareholders. Investors saw that, bought that news up, and obviously this stock ran over 200% today. So it was a massive move for ticker symbol CBIO. And remember, guys, you can get into some of these stocks late. Like, you don't have to get into the night before. You can see even now, like even when the market opened, which, you know, you guys better be able to buy pre-market now, but even when the market opened, this stock still went up over 53%. Like we can see, it opened at around 95 or so, and at the top it was up about 53% there. So still a big move there, and even any 10, 20, 15, 35% gain in between still would have been a fantastic move. But regardless, two biotech stocks, they're absolutely killing it. Keep these on your watch list. Ticker symbol GOVX and CBIO. And obviously keep these in mind to ultimately play them in the future and play anything like it, right? But I want to talk about another stock in today's video, and that is Redbox. Ticker symbol RDBX. Redbox is up 8% today, but that's low. Redbox was skyrocketing all day today. I mean, as we can see here, initially it was up about 30%, and then throughout the day it ended up hitting highs of 33, 34% there. So Redbox is amazing, right? And you look, you're like, well, what happened? Why is Redbox soaring right now? And you look, all the news 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, you know, even 4 days ago, 5 days ago, there's no recent news today. So why on earth is it soaring? Hey, once a meme stock, once a short squeeze stock, always a short squeeze stock, always a meme stock, right? This stock will continue to make moves, just like AMC, just like GME, right? I mean, obviously on a little bit of a smaller scale, but regardless, this stock is going to continue to get pumps and dumps all the way around, and there's going to be plenty of opportunities to make a ton of money. You can see this stock is up 98% just in the last 5 days. The short interest, I believe, is like 130%. Don't quote me on these numbers, but I believe that's what I read earlier. And also the cost to borrow is up at like, it's either 300 and 600%. I can't exactly remember, but regardless, these short squeeze numbers are still through the absolute roof. There is still a ton of retail sentiment in this stock, and I do think it still provides a substantial opportunity. Now, look, we're not movement investors in here, right? We're not investing into AMC, GME, Redbox for the movement, for, you know, for our stocks to go to zero, but hey, we tried, right? We're not in that at all. We're in here for straight P&L, profit and loss. We're here to make money in these markets. So I'm going to use Redbox as an opportunity, and I think you guys should as well, to make money on swings, on if the short squeeze actually happens, on catalyst for Redbox, the whole 9 yards. But I personally, and obviously not financial advice, I'm not getting in this stock for the long term here to hold it for the movement, right? I'm going to continue to make money off this stock, profit and loss, right? Make hopefully more profit than loss, but regardless, just wanted to say that, and also wanted to say that Redbox is going to continue to present many opportunities ahead. The last stock I want to talk about here is ticker symbol GLDG. This is a gold mining stock, right? Up 25% today, and we're not even sure why. Haven't seen any big catalysts on this stock, besides that just mining stocks and things are up today, right? Basic material stocks are up today as well. So that could be the reason why, or there could be a different catalyst. But regardless, I think gold mining stocks, especially, yeah, gold mining stocks and what do I want to say? Mining projects, whatever it may be, the small junior miners, I really wanted to say there, could be a good focus here, right? Because if the market continues to trend downwards, now, we had a great day today, but if the market continues to trend downwards, guess what's going to do well? Gold. And guess what does even better than gold during times when gold does good? Gold mining stocks. So keep an eye on gold. They could be kind of that Deegan play, that penny stock play, alternative to do well in regards to just investing in, you know, normal gold and in just having ounces of gold, right? Physical gold. So keep that in mind as a potential opportunity there. But regardless, guys, that is all I got for you in today's video. We talked about many good stocks. Shout out to everyone that was able to capitalize on GOVX. It reminds me a lot of VERU, which you should keep on your watches as well, especially as it seems to be skyrocketing here in the after hours. I mean, it's literally up 10% in the after hours now, which is great to hear. But yeah, so keep those two on your watch list, and also keep an eye on CBIO. Redbox stock is going to present a bunch of opportunities and possibly gold mining stocks. But that's all I got for you in today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure and sign up at viralstocks.io so we can send these penny stock alerts straight to your inbox and straight to your mobile phone number. Get signed up there. We do have a big alert coming out this week. Hopefully, as long as price action meets our scanner, we know there's a big catalyst coming up. We will not be talking about that stock on our YouTube channel, so I hope you guys get it, and I hope you guys are signed up. That's all I got for you in today's video, guys, and as always, I will see you in the next one.